How to fix WhatsApp download failed from Play Store on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp download failed from Play Store on Android phone. First open settings and then go to apps and now apps again, and then just type here Google Play Store, and now click force stop this one, and then go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just it means that you need to clean some space. Just go to storage and click clean up and clean anything you want here. You can clean cache if you want, it's easy, or you can just clean it from your gallery here. And that's it from today for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.